Hey guys, welcome back. And days, and yesterday we were working on taming that furball over there. Yeah, the putty cat. The one I named Stupid, which I'm probably gonna rename him. But I did some grinding to get their teeth and eyes, which I'm also not a big fan of grinding. But I still did. Got what we needed. So, what'd I do with them anyways? In here? Yeah, I might have actually gotten overboard in the grinding department. Let's get more of this stuff out of my inventory. Okay, everything I need, except I need a matrix. I need like, I don't know, maybe 2 of them. How many of those matrices do I need? Was it 1? Was it 1 per critter, or... Yes, 1 per critter. So let's toss in the eyeballs and the... Where's the extract? Oh, there it is, right there. The eyeballs, the extract. I just need to do... Yeah, I may have overdone it on the eyeballs. But hey, that's what happens when you're grinding. Okay, so I want to make 2 of these because I want... Oh, which one do I want? You know what, let's start with this stupid furball right here. Dang it. Well, guess we're just doing you right here. Let's do with name. Leave it blank. Okay. We're almost there. It's halfway. Okay. Give me his beady little red eyes. Yep. Yeah, most certainly loud, that's for sure. What kind of kid? Ooh. Ooh, you be a big kitty. Okay, what are you called? Adolescent AW Supreme Tiger. Ooh, me likey. It's a big kitty. $3.90. Nice. What kind of cell do you need for you? Oh. Maybe once it's done growing. Dude. The big kitty. That's a big cat. Oh, they grow up so fast, don't they? see, how much health are we looking at? 902,000 health, 192,000 health, 3.1k damage, 11k and... Nice, nice. Very nice. Just hurry up and grow up already. Now, while he is growing up, let's... You know what? Come on. All because your snout's in the way. Now let's bring you over here at this corner. That way I can take a photo of you without actually... There. Gotta take the before pictures, and something just got eliminated. Sucks to be them. Alright, so you need... Turn that back on. One matrix as well. Okay. It's halfway. Now, the fun part's gonna be finding getting a cell for that. But, let's see what you are gonna have. This will be... Oh, ooh! I saw that. Yo! Hey! Furball! Slow down! Adolescent mouse. The tribute wolf. Okay, so this one belongs to Mouse. I'll get a better look at it once he's been fully grown. But for now, you see your head popping up. Ooh. Okay, so this one belongs to Mouse. A Tiger, on the other hand. AW Supreme Tiger. I don't think... Oh, Whiskers here. As a tribute to anyone. Because if so, I would have said that he was a tribute to somebody like the Tribute Wolf. So this one's a tribute to Mouse. Ooh, LCB strong. 1.1 mil, 16.8. Okay. Stamina. Decent. Better in stamina, though. Everything's about average. Damage is still the same. Nope, not that one. Alright, so we'll just wait for Mousy to be fully matured. I like how that is with the fur, though. That's cool. Sweet little armor pieces. Alright, let's get a saddle for you. What kind of saddle do you need? Alright, you crafting this one. You acquire a special saddle or no? Whoops, this doesn't work. Equip a saddle. Yeah, it works. Sweet, I can ride the cat. So we have Frosty. You done yet? No, you're just gonna take a bajillion years. We like you. Gah. I didn't take any damage out of that. Really? No damage? Cool. Dang. Alright, so he's got a left click. Okay, so that's left click. Right click, apparently. Oh! Heart attack. Pretty strong. Nice, nice. Scassi attack. Not entirely sure what that was. Attack. Cool. Q attack? Nope. How about control Q? Nope. Attack. Same thing. Okay. Nice. Don't like the fact that it does that amount of damage, but let's kind of fix that problem. Okay. Actually, I like that. That's actually really cool. Not putting any damage into it. Okay. I like the kitty. Me really like the kitty. Ooh, inflamed. Ain't gonna work on me, flame brain. Okay. I'm starting to like the cat. Yeah, gonna get it back up to base. Yay! And you're not gonna fit there at the door, are you? Nope. It won't even fit there the small section. You gotta remember the next series I do put in a bigger door. Preferably in the front. Okay. So yeah, I like the cat. Cat's cool. What about... Well... Not yet. Let's see if there's a cell for it. Don't think so. Don't think. Wait. Is there not a cell for you? I don't think there is. Drake saddle. Dodorexy saddle. Mosey. Oh, well, let's check the Pandora thingy here. I guess the wolf doesn't have one. Huh. Big fluffy wavy tail. I like how it actually glows. That's cool. That's that glowy color. Let's get you. Come on, Fluffy. Come on. Get your fluffy butt over here. And you're stuck, aren't you? Yep. You're stuck. Well, guess we'll find out here in a few minutes. Ooh, or I guess I'll need those after all, I guess. Oop, that's not it. Guess I don't need those, so let's toss you guys in here. There. Just to get you out of the door. She's turned on. Yeah, she is. So apparently, probably can't do it with this one, but do it. Let me have that. Okay, now what do I do with you? There you go. Yeah, stuck. So apparently if you cryo whip, okay, so it can have a saddle, but okay, we'll saddle. Oh. Yep, just standard wolf saddle. At least it gives them some armor. Whee! Ooh. What if he got a jump? How much damage did you take? About 100,000 fall damage. Okay. Normal. Excuse me? That makes, no sense. Okay. Pego deserves to die. Okay, so no left click. Same attack as the tiger. Okay, same. Same. Ooh, I've never seen that. Maybe a Dilophosaur. Let's take a look. Aw, cute. Or she, or other. Nice. Not sure what else you can do. He's definitely got to jump. But what's the point of having a jump if you're just gonna take fall damage? Well, they're person with that. Or first person, you can't see squat. Actually, I like how those two turned out. At some point, but we're gonna have to get ready for this one. We're gonna have to get ready for this old girl. Get her ready to be evolved. Yeah. They grow up so fast, don't they? So kind of wedged in here. Two very big and very beautiful ammo. Yeah, ammo. Animals. I guess I'm calling it here. Hope you guys enjoy. Next time we'll see if we can't find like a robo dragon or something and start progressing a little further. But guys, I hope you enjoy. Until next time, I'll see you later.